by the pool for this one. Grab a cold drink and a pool noodle to beat this summertime heat. We're heading into another hour of commercial-free music right here on Hot 99.7 Light FM.
If the condition of your pool is hindering its use, it doesn't have to anymore. I'm Amelia from Ramuc Specialty Pool Coatings. If you're looking to give new life to your pool, Ramuc has you covered. Restoring your pool to its former glory has never been easier or more cost-effective. Whether your pool is concrete, steel, gunite, plaster, or fiberglass, we have the right solution for you. By using a Ramuc high-build epoxy coating system, you can protect your pool for up to 8 years at a third of the cost of other resurfacing options. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, this short video will show you how affordable and easy it is to bring your pool back to life with Ramuc Pool Paint. To ensure a gorgeous finish that lasts for years to come, it starts with the right prep work. The first step is to drain and inspect the pool. You want to clear any debris from the bottom of the pool and look for any surface defects. Scrape any peeling, flaking, or chipped paint and sand the surface smooth. Repair any minor cracks or chips and be sure to consult a structural engineer if any major cracks or surface defects are found. Once the inspection process is complete, the pool must be completely clean and free of any loose paint, dirt, and oils before applying a new coating system. By using a Ramuc Clean and Prep solution, you can properly clean your pool in a third of the time of other cleaning and etching processes. First, you want to pressure wash your pool with at least a 3200 PSI pressure washer. Once dry, sweep or blow away any remaining debris or paint chips. Using a garden pump sprayer, apply Ramuc Clean and Prep solution. Ramuc Clean and Prep will clean and etch your pool surface for maximum adhesion when it comes time to paint. Scrub Ramuc Clean and Prep with a stiff brush until it no longer foams. Be sure to focus on areas where heavy soil accumulates, like stairs and the water line. Now, rinse the pool with a strong, clean stream of water from a garden hose. Don't use a pressure washer as it lacks the water volume to remove the residual Ramuc Clean and Prep solution. When applying epoxy paint, it's imperative that the pool is dry. The pool may look and feel dry, but to be sure, use this easy process that professionals use. To test for moisture, cut 3 sheets of clear plastic into 2 square-foot sections. Tape 1 sheet on the floor of the shallow end of the pool, another sheet on the deep end of the pool, and the last sheet on the wall that sits in the most shade. Wait 4 to 5 hours and check the sheets for any moisture from condensation. If there is any moisture on the sheets, remove the sheets and allow another 24 hours to dry and then repeat the test. Once your pool surface is completely dry, tape around any tiles, lights, or fittings to ensure a clean finish once painting is complete. Now, your prep work is done and you're ready to start painting. You want to ensure your Ramuc high-build epoxy is mixed properly. First, mix each component separately, then combine the components in a 1-to-1 volume ratio and mix them together. It is important to mix Ramuc high-build epoxy mechanically and not use stir sticks. Start by painting with a brush around small and hard-to-reach areas like drains, ladders, and filters. Using a roller, begin painting the walls. Once the walls are complete, begin painting the floor, starting in the deepest section of the pool and working your way towards the shallow end. Plan to finish at a ladder or stairs so you can exit the pool without stepping on any wet paint. A second coat may be necessary, even if the pool has been previously painted. Allow 16 to 72 hours for the pool to dry and repeat the application process if a second coat is needed. You should now be looking at a beautifully restored pool, and you probably can't wait to fill it with cool water so your friends and family can enjoy. It is crucial that you allow adequate time for the pool to dry before filling it again. Ramuc recommends allowing your pool's new surface to dry for at least 5 days with no rain. Begin filling with a constant, clean stream of water. There you have it. In 3 easy steps using quality Ramuc products, your pool can be restored to pristine condition. Restored pool, restored happiness, Ramuc Specialty Pool Coatings.